हाँ मीडिया लोग बोलते हैं ना मीडिया कमेटी काम नहीं करता। हाँ कोई तो बोल रहा है, हमेशा बोलता है। अरे समय हाई बोल रहे एक बार, मीडिया कमेटी को काम।
अगर आपको सबके सामने घर के बाहर वो एनर्जी मिलता है then you are extrovert and अगर आपको वही एनर्जी चाहिए ना ये देखो अरे उसमें लिखा हुआ है individuals prefer to focus their attention on the outer world of people activities and external experiences gaining energy from interaction with others ठीक है और इंट्रोवर्ट में क्या लिखा है focus their attention on the inner world of thought. इतना तो हुआ है यार. इंट्रोवर्जन में क्या लिखा है? Individuals prefer to focus their energy on their inner world of thought. Reflection, ideas, getting energy from solitude. ठीक है. दूसरा यह है sensing versus intuition. Sensing versus intuition. लग रहा है वो होगा वो एक्चुअली हुआ नहीं है एक्चुअली क्या होगा लेकिन वो होगा तो सेंसिंग वर्सेस इंट्यूशन अब जो है थिंकिंग वर्सेस फीलिंग ये भी थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा है थिंकिंग में आप क्या करते हो थिंक करते हो आप लॉजिक है ना थिंकिंग में आप लॉजिक लगाते
It's my absolute honor and privilege to introduce today's distinguished guest, Dr. Suman Arora, a pioneer leader, accomplished author, and a passionate advocate for human well-being. Dr. Arora is a former additional secretary to the Lok Sabha Secretariat, where she served with distinction for over 31 years, contributing immensely to the functioning, modernization, and outreach of the public parliament. Her work in public communication and orientation programs for members of parliament has played a significant role in shaping parliamentary engagement in India. She has also been at the forefront of digital transformation, overseeing programs on social media for Censored TV, the official channel of the Indian Parliament. Dr. Arora holds certification in positive psychology from Harvard University and well-being science from Yale University, which are the credentials that speak to her dedication to nurturing both institutional and individual growth. Beyond her administration excellence, she is renowned motivational speaker, a certified well-being coach, and the author of two inspiring books, Soul Free and One Step Higher, which are the collection that reflects her passion for mindful living and inner transformation. Her journey is one of the resilience, continuous learning and the impact, and we are incredibly fortunate to have her with us this evening. Please join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Suman.
That workplace stress not only proves a silent killer of productivity, it can also proves to be a silent killer of the employee's health and also at the same time the company's growth. We'll go to the next slide. I hope we can have an uninterrupted session now. Yeah. So as you can see, the Oxford has defined stress is worry and pressure that is caused by having too much to deal with, and the life becomes very overwhelming. When do you think that you have too much to deal with, too much pressure and too much worry to deal with? Has it ever happened to anybody here that you just go, you are at home, you go to your next room to do something and you forget, you don't know why you came to that room? Has it happened to somebody?
There are people with
Right. And has it
technical know-how
but there are other people also who don't know the technical aspect, but they are irrespective of the fact that there are people who would not understand, and they are the team who has to work on this. The seniors don't worry about that, and they don't care at all, and they don't adapt to audience. So these are small things, but these are very important things which lead to a lot of stress. Management versus employee. Unrealistic workload speaks for itself. Deadline, inconsistent or unfair treatment. There is favoritism. Sometimes it happens, or rather, quite a lot it happens. So these things people are put back. The toxic work culture and bullying is ignored. This is from the part of the superiors that you have brought to their notice that you are finding the work culture toxic. And that's so good. And it was hardly for 1.5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Yes, please.
Thinking about the person who
Positive.
positive and love, then it gives me a smile, and I was thinking in a memory like where we enjoyed a lot, so that give me motivated in front. The stress was getting away automatically.
Just imagine. Anybody else? Now, please.
Actually, it takes you through the extreme to different emotions
Yes.
in such a short span of time. At one point in time, you think, okay, like this is so weird, and within a moment, it takes you to a different corner of the entire ocean.
So you can see for yourself. Anybody else? Okay, I wanted to prove this point. Wherever you put your attention is wherever your energy lies. That is important. So if you
they are under a lot of stress and a lot of pressure. So how do they de-stress themselves and get to actually become something from them?
I don't know. I mean, see, I can only tell you about the professional lives of the DJs.
But I mean, just motivate to become any fortunate
See, like I said, like to each his own, right? Don't forget your you-ness. My-ness is like,
What is your opinion on stress? Like once AI is like everywhere and you feel stressful.
I think you people have more hard skills than me in this regard. You are more technical on this. I don't know, because it's a situation that is evolving every day. Don't you think so? We don't know, like this digital arrest thing was nowhere till a couple of months back in Ghana.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Abhyunati, class representative of Section B Executive MBA Batch 5. It is an absolute honor to be delivered.
इसके साथ कंफ्यूज मत सेम नंबर उसको क्यों बात किया